The Broil King Grid Lifter. Moving around cooking grids and accessories on your hot grill is a breeze with the Broil King Grid Lifter. Whether you're flipping between the pointed and grooved side of your cast iron cooking grids, or removing them entirely to make room for a griddle or a wok, the Grid Lifter is the ideal tool. The stainless steel lifter features an ergonomic resin handle and a solid stainless steel blade with two sets of cutouts. The square cutouts work to move cast iron and cast stainless steel Broil King grids, as well as the stainless steel flavor waves, while the round cutouts work for stainless steel rod grids. The lifter also works seamlessly with many of our grilling accessories, including racks, woks, baskets, and smoker boxes. It's a small and essential tool that has countless uses around your Broil King grill. The Broil King Grid Lifter. Broil King. Do more with your grill.